Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be going through 5 ways to increase the speed of your Windows 10 PC. So you might be having problems such as high CPU usage, like that, and you want to fix it. So all you're going to do is, first of all, open up settings by pressing Windows I, or just going down to the bottom and doing the settings. And you want to go to gaming. Now this is a good feature, but you click turn off and then untick that. You might see that your CPU usage goes lower. Now obviously my recording software is using a lot right now, but that should increase the speed of your computer. So let's go on to the next one. So the actual next one that we're going to do is Windows Update. Now, a lot of us know that Windows Update is extremely annoying. You're playing a game, and in the middle of the game, you get a high CPU spike, and you're limited to a certain frame rate. So we're going to actually fix this by going over to Settings, Update and Security. Don't worry, I've not activated it, because obviously I'm in a tutorial virtual machine right now. And then on Windows Update section, as you can see, look at how many updates there are. So it's saying that I can run Windows 11, but it might not let you pause it. Now, if it doesn't, you're going to type in services, like so, and you're going to find Windows Update, like so here. We're just going to stop that, and then there we go. Service host Windows Update is now stopped, and it won't restart unless you restart it. So if you want an update, you actually need to enable that service again by going to services again, heading down to Windows Update, and then right clicking and starting the service again. But that should speed up the boot of your computer, and also the speed of opening applications and limiting the CPU usage. So let's go on to the next one. So the next one is startup applications. So if you don't know what I mean by this is applications that start when you turn on your computer. So all you need to do is right click on your taskbar and open up Task Manager, and then we're going to go up to the Startup tab. As you can see, there are a few that are enabled, such as Microsoft OneDrive and Microsoft Edge. If you've got more applications installed, you can obviously disable them. As you can see, I've disabled them, so when I boot up this computer, it doesn't have to start these applications at startup, which therefore means that you can log in quicker and you can start doing whatever you can. Even on an SSD, it makes it even better. Even if you're on a SSD hard drive, it should increase your boot performance overall. So let's go on to the next one. So the fourth fix on how to speed up your PC is actually adding more RAM. As you can see, we're already 62% used, because obviously I've got 4 gigs of RAM. So we can fix this by adding more RAM. So I will meet you back in a minute. I'm going to add some more RAM to this PC. So I will see you soon. So we'll boot it back into Windows, and look at that. Only 29% usage, and I'm currently screen recording as well. Obviously my CPU usage is higher because I'm actually encoding. But yeah, just by adding another 4 gigs of RAM to this machine, we can already see a difference. So yeah, let's go on to the final one. So the final one is more if you've got a hard drive. So if you've got an SSD, just ignore this one. All you need to do is type in disk cleanup, like so, and then select the drive you want to clean up, so C drive, and then you can see already this is a fresh Windows install. There's 1.37 gigabytes of disk space that can be freed up, so we can select them and then click clean up system files. I think we should. Yeah, there we go, only 30 megabytes. So you can free up a lot of stuff, like system memory and dump files. Click OK, delete files. And that'll free up some space, especially on a hard drive. And also on a hard drive you can do defragment and optimize drives. So you can click optimize here and you can see it's running. And if I go to the task manager, you'll see that the SSD will start to get used. But we aren't going to do that because I'm on an SSD, so it won't make a difference. So that's it, 5 ways to speed up the speed of your Windows 10 machine. Thanks ever so much for watching this video. Goodbye.